In 2013, a deadly Himalayan flood wiped out an entire town. But one 1,000-plus-year-old temple stood untouched. How did Kedarnath Temple survive a disaster that killed thousands? In June 2013, extreme cloudbursts and glacial lake outbursts triggered catastrophic floods in Kedarnath. According to the government of Uttarakhand and disaster reports, over 5,000 people were declared dead or missing. Entire markets, homes, and roads were washed away by the Mandakini River. But here's what experts found. A massive boulder rolled down the mountain and stopped directly behind the temple. This rock, now called Beam Shila, diverted the floodwaters, reducing the direct impact on the shrine. Post-disaster surveys by the Geological Survey of India, or GSI, confirmed the temple stands on slightly elevated ground. Its interlocking heavy stone slabs are earthquake-resistant. The boulder acted as a physical barrier against debris flow. Historians also record that the current structure dates back to the 8th century, often associated with Adi Shankaracharya, though the site itself is much older. This wasn't just faith, it was location, ancient engineering, and geological luck. While everything around it collapsed, Kedarnath Temple stood firm, a real documented survival story backed by scientific investigation. Coincidence or timeless construction genius?